Hi, I'm Andy from Renovate Innovate. Today's video we're going to be showing you how to refurb a sink and a broken tap using this Mellerud Limescale and rust remover. Let's get cracking. I'm Andy from Renovate Innovate, and today we're going to be fixing this sprinkler head on this tap. You press this button, it's supposed to change from this stream to a sprinkler. It's not working, so we're going to remove the sprinkler head. We're going to soak it in this Mellerud Limescale and rust remover, leave it 15-20 minutes, come back, give it a rinse, put it back together, see if that's worked. If not, we'll strip it, take it apart and see how we're going to get it fixed. Let's just crack on. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the tap head and we're going to place it, in this case, in a pint pot with this Mellerud Limescale and rust remover in there. We've read through all the instructions and I think it's going to be safest for us to wear gloves while we're doing this, as it's slightly corrosive. So it's best to always read the label, understand what you're using and how to use it. So we're just going to remove this, place it into our glass, and we've got a little funnel there so we can really get the limescale remover deep down inside of the tap head. We'll fill this up and leave it 15-20 minutes and then come back and reassemble, and that should be good. Top tip, I'm going to leave this in the sink. I'm going to leave it with the product that we're using, so if anybody does come in here while we've left it, they'll know what's inside there and not to touch it. Right, so we'll leave that now and we'll come back in 15-20 minutes. Right, so here we are, back from my cup of tea. This has had its 20 minutes, a long cup of tea. 20 minutes soaking. We'll give it a little bit of a clean with this wire wool, just to get rid of the, oh yeah, it's coming off nice. Just to get rid of the limescale residue. And then we'll give all the tap and the rest of the sink a clean in this. Turn it back, put it back on, turn the tap on, and that should be good to go. Right, so there we are, tap's back on. We're going to check that that's working. This button should be freed up now, which it is. Excellent. So what we're going to do now is going to use the rest of this product we've got. We may as well give the sink a good clean up. We use a scourer, go all over the sink and make the most of it. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to check out our other video where we show you how to fix a leaky tap by replacing the cartridge. Right, so I've rubbed all the sink down now. This stuff looks like it's worked straight away. It wasn't as dirty as the tap head was, so we'll give this a rinse down and give it a dry. We'll see the difference. We can use our new tap head for this, look. Come on, we've got videos to do. Right, wow. Well, there you go, all done. Great product. It's fixed our tap. It's got our sink looking like brand new. Can't recommend this enough. There's a link in the description below where you can get this from. And if you found this video useful, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell and you get notifications from all the other great videos we've got on our channel there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.